I don't know about you guys, but I know that these past couple of years have been really stressful. Are you dreaming about living in Jamaica but worried about the cost? Don't let your budget hold you back. In today's video, I'm sharing my top 10 tips for living on a budget in Jamaica without missing out on all the island has to offer. So from smart shopping hacks to affordable activities, I've got you covered, so keep watching. So as a Jamaican local, I've learned a thing or two about managing expenses while still being able to enjoy the amazing things that Jamaica has to offer. So I would say to shop smart at the local markets. We work too hard to be wasting our money, spending it more than what we need to spend really, because I believe that there's always an opportunity to get a lower price. So skip the high prices at the tourist shops, at the places that are known to be increasing their prices just because they know tourists come here, and head to local markets like Coronation Market in Kingston with Mumbai Market in Mumbai. You'll find fresh produce, spices and everyday essentials at much lower prices. Plus, it's a great way to support local vendors and experience Jamaica's culture up close. I hope you'll take a page out of my book and cook at home. That is another budget-friendly idea for you when you're in Jamaica. So cook at home, because eating out can quickly add up. So local markets are perfect for picking up fresh ingredients at lower prices, and then you want to add to that to cook from home. Check out the traditional Jamaican recipes or even American recipes, whatever you're comfortable with making. Just make sure that you cook at home, eat at home, use what you have at home, and stop eating out, because it becomes expensive and many a times you don't get bang for your buck. You don't get something great tasting as if you would have home. I'm not sure if everyone's going to agree with me, but if you have a car, this isn't for you. Just skip to the next one. Use public transportation, because sometimes charter taxis and car rentals can be a bit pricey. So take advantage of the public transportation. Buses and route taxis are more inexpensive and can cover most of the areas around Kingston, Montego Bay, or wherever else you decide to stay. It's affordable and it's a way to get around. Plus you'll get the experience of the local life more authentically. I wouldn't say I found affordable housing, but for the price and the location, it worked for me. And I want to tell you guys, when it comes to housing, consider renting in less touristy areas. Neighborhoods a bit outside of the city centers are often more affordable, but still offer easy access to amenities and attractions. So make sure that you keep an eye out for these rental deals and negotiate if you can. And if you decide, you can also save up, mortgage, own your own house. So that's also an option. Jamaica is full of beautiful beaches and natural attractions that won't really cost you a dime. I mean, sometimes it will, but it's like under $1,000 if we're talking about this realistically. So take advantage of the free and the low-cost activities and spend your weekends exploring the beaches, hiking trails, and visiting some waterfalls. Many of these spots are free or have a minimal entrance fee, like I was saying. So just reach out, get a couple friends together and enjoy the island's beauty without spending an arm and a leg. Just saying. This one hit me like a ton of bricks. Electricity in Jamaica, well, in the world really, but we're talking about Jamaica. Electricity in Jamaica can be one of your biggest expenses, so conserve energy wherever possible. Use the fans instead of AC. I'm trying to learn this, guys. But use it instead of AC, and then unplug the devices when you're not using them. Make sure that you turn off the lights when you're not in the room, because simple changes can lead to significant savings on your electricity bill. You want to also buy in bulk So for non-perishable items like rice, beans, and pasta, buying in bulk can save you a lot of money. So check the stores like Price Mart or any wholesale markets for better deals on these staple items, because you can just put them down until you're ready to use them. It won't spoil. Hence, non-perishable. So that is also a big tip. I know it's not as popular as the States, but it's still there. Community groups and online forums that can help you and often share tips on the best deals, upcoming events, and any budget-friendly recommendations. So it's a great way to also meet friends and get insider advice on living well on a budget. So make use of it, look online, and see if there are any groups that will help you do that. So all in all, I hope you found this insightful. I hope it helped in some way, and I hope you have more tips when it comes to budget friendly. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.